Many people want to start investing, but they're thinking what kind of investment they can leverage on. Some want to invest in other properties, but they don't have enough money to start investing in other properties. While some want to start investing in crypto, they don't know how to start or even what and what they should do in order to start that journey on investment. So it is not only these ones, it's not only other properties, crypto. There are a whole lot of investment you can leverage on. You can also invest in other properties, in real estate. You can also invest in mutual funds, in treasury bills. So these are various investments you can leverage on and start making money. Investment is very, very good. It's not only to save money, you can also invest. When you invest, you grow your money. But when you save, you don't make money when you save, because inflation affects the money you save. The money you save will be depreciating in value. So instead of saving and saving without investing, it's good to invest it. So these are some of the things you can leverage. Assuming now you have saved and save up to 1 million, 2 million, instead of leaving it in the bank, this is what you can do. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, my name is Ngozi, and in this channel we discuss everything about investment, businesses, all tips that can help you stand, and all things that can also help you grow your money or even grow your businesses. So if this is the kind of thing you would love to listen, kindly watch this video to the end, and don't forget to click on the plus sign to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Not only that, you can also share it to your loved ones to also gain this value, because a lot of things are happening. People are making money, and you wonder how people are making money. People that are making money, they allow their money to work for them, not them working for their money, because they will make the money. They have saved enough. Instead of leaving that money they have saved just like that, they reinvest it in something that can give them more value, something that can give them more financial value. So in this video, I'm telling you one thing that can give you that financial value. If you don't have money to buy land, if you don't have money to start crypto, or maybe you are scared of starting those kind of investment, this one is very, very simple. You just put your money there and it will be working for you. So if you are interested in this kind of investment, please reach out to me or send me a link, because we will help you make your money to grow. If you invest 1 million naira, because this thing gives you a higher interest. If you invest 1 million to 10 million, you'll be giving 18% per annum. 18% per annum, it will attract 18% per annum. And if you invest 10 million to 20 million, it will attract 19 to 20% per annum, which is a good rate. It's not all financial institutions can give you this rate. Very, very good. So that money you leave, or maybe you just kept money somewhere and it's not working for you, it's not yielding anything for you. With this investment, you grow your money. Instead of leaving that money there and the inflation rate just will be depreciating your money, you can fix it there, let it be working for you. When you invest 1 million, leave it for 1 year, you to see what it will yield for you. 1 year, one good year on maybe 18%, you see what that money would yield for you. Not only that, if you are also interested and you want to invest something like 20 million and above, or maybe 50 million and above, it will also give you 20-21% per annum. And if you are investing 20 million or 50 million and above, it will also give you 22%. And also you can negotiate. If it's up to 50 million you want to invest, you can also negotiate. It will give you good return on investment. So it is good. Don't just leave down your money. Let your money just be wasting. Let the money be working for you. Let the money be working for you. So if you are interested in this investment, reach out to me. Even with your 1 million, you leave it for 1 year. You will see what you will be making after 1 year. So we can calculate this. You can use calculator and calculate this thing. So let's say you invested 1 million for for 1 year. That is for 0 point for 18% per annum. So let's just calculate it. You will see what we will be making for a year. And when you leave it for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, you will see how much you will be making. Even if you want to start investing 20 million, 30 million, and just invest and leave it for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, to even 10 years, you see how much you will be making for just like that. And when you, one good thing about investment is when you invest, your capital will just be there for you, and you will just be making your money. Your return on investment will be increasing while your capital will be there. Your capital is not at risk, so you'll be making money. Your return on investment will be growing higher and higher. Then you can match two of them together. You see how much you are making. That's how rich people are going, maybe growing richer and richer, while poor people are stagnant because they just save and save and save without investing. So the good thing about investment is multiplies your money, while savings keep your money stagnant. It is very good to save, but when you save, really put it in something, let it be working, because investment is not only, saving is not only the best way to grow financially, is through investment. So with this investment, if you are interested in investing, even if it's as small as 1 million, you can invest and make good money. Just leave it for 1 year. Let it be what, let it just be something that you've forgotten. After 1 year, you see what this thing will use for you. If you invest 1 million for 1 year, you see yourself making up to 180,000 per annum. 180,000 is not enough. It's something that you just forget, just a chicken change, something you just be making. Instead of leaving that money there, you just be wasting. You can invest it in this thing that I'm talking about, and you see yourself making your money. See yourself making money. That's why many people are getting poorer, because they don't put their money to work for them. They don't allow their money to work for them. They'll be working for their money instead of money working for them. They have saved and saved and saved. They leave it there without investing it. That's why rich people are getting richer, and you see them, they don't keep money. They keep investing and reinvesting strategically. So if you are interested, please reach out to me so that you start making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. Remember, from 1 million and to 10 million is 18%. Then from 10 million to 20 million is 19 to 20%. 19 to 20%. Then from 20 million to 30 million is 20 to 22%. While from that 50 million and above, even if you have 100 million to invest, or even 150 million is negotiable. If you are investing from 50 million and above, it's 22%, but it's negotiable. It's negotiable. Remember, investment is the key to financial freedom. If that investment that they will tell you is only 2 months, your investment will come after 2 months, please run away. That investment may not be the best. Investment takes time to grow, because those people you are investing the money will also help you to utilize the money, put it in something, one or two things, businesses. It will grow. That growth that money yielded is what they are giving you as an interest. Okay, let's calculate it and see how much you will be making with 18% interest rate when you invest 1 million. So 18% interest is 0.18 times 1 million. So let's see how much you'll be making per year. That is 180,000. See how much you'll be making per year if you just invest your money. Then when you also invest 5 million per year, you see you'll be making 900,000 per year, excluding your capital. This is how much you will make if you invest. But if you don't invest, this 900,000 will not yield yield anything. You are making now will not yield anything if you don't invest. That's the importance of investment. So if you invest 10 million with 18% interest rate, you'll be making 1.8 per year. So instead of leaving your money just like that, let your money work for you. So that 1.8 you made per year, when you leave it for 5 years, you'll be making 9 million. 9 million will just be sitting in your account gingerly without any stress. You see the reason why investment is the key to financial stability. So if you decide to increase the money, it will be 20% interest rate. So when you calculate 20% interest rate for 20 million, if you invest 20 million for a year, you see how much you'll be making? 4 million. Good 4 million. This is your benefit, or not even your capital. So you see why I'm preaching investment is the key to financial stability. Try it. Don't just leave your money just like that. Let your money be working for you. Let it be working for you. All right. So that 4 million you made in investment, investing 20 million, when you times it by 5 years, when you leave that investment for 5 years, you see how much you'll be making. 20 million for 5 years. 20 million. So why do you think rich men are getting richer? It's not true investment. It's not true investment. So leaving it for 10 years, you'll be making 40 million. This is money. Money. Just think, you allow your money sitting in your account and you'll be wasting just like that. You see how much you'll be making? Good 40 million. So that is the
So instead of you don't know any business to do with your money and you want to leave it, don't just leave it, invest it in this thing I'm talking about, you see your money growing. So if you have watched this video, kindly share it and also comment if you are interested in this. See you and God bless you. Bye.